The following video will show you how to enter a new budgeted position in the Position tool. On the main menu, click on the FIU budget process. Then click on FIU position budget and type in the activity number you're budgeting positions for. Click search and the pre-populated information will appear. Here are the steps. Click on the plus button on the right hand side of the screen. This will insert a new row. Select New Position in the Change Category field. Enter the employee type. Remember, selecting the employee type determines the benefits used to calculate the current benefit amounts. Enter the position number of the new position. The position number should be a valid number on the HR system. If it is not a valid position number, PantherSoft system will display the following error message until you type in a valid position number. Enter the employee ID in the Employee ID field if known, or simply leave blank if unknown. Enter the employee's last name if known, or type unfilled in the last name field. Enter the employee's first name if known, or leave the first name field blank if this is an unfilled position. Enter the FTE. The total FTE cannot be greater than 1 or less than 0. If you mistakenly type in more than 1 FTE, PantherSoft will show you the following error message until you correct the FTE. Enter the proportional amount of the annual pay rate related to the FTE. Current benefits will be automatically calculated based on the employee type previously selected. No action is needed for this field. Enter the title of the new employee or position. Select the unfilled in the position status field if no employee has been identified with that position, or filled if this is a filled new position. If you want to use the Cost PID chart field, here's where you would go. Click on the tab Chart Field Information, and here you would enter the Cost PID. Notice this is also where the chart field for task can be found. For ENG, this information will be updated by your Executive Area Budget Manager. If the remaining positions are to remain budgeted as is and for the full year, proceed to save and calculate totals to see the new total salaries and benefit amounts. And this is how you add a new position to your budgeted positions. Just as a reminder, here are some tips for using the Position tool. At any time, the information can be downloaded to Excel. This might be preferred by some users just in case you are logged off the system and wish to review the information on the Position tool. There are tabs on the top of the data which are helpful. For instance, the Chart Field Information tab will pre-populate the account and the budgeted weeks according to the employee type selected on the Position Information tab. And there's a link for employee distribution that show the distribution of the budgeted positions. Also, Updated by Info tab will show you by Panther ID who last updated the information and the modified time span. If you run the R2 report, you will be able to see the real-time position data you have updated in the position tool and the corresponding budget by position.